Today I'm going to talk about a few mistakes you may be making and reels to do if you don't want to lip sync or you don't want to dance. Recording inside the Instagram app. How many times have you recorded a reel, the app completely shuts down? That's common. Recorded in 4K. It's a higher quality video that you can repurpose to things like YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok. Second point, saving in draft. I'm not saying do not ever save in drafts. Make sure that you're saving it onto your phone no matter what. After you watch this video, go save all your drafts. I'm not manifesting that for you, okay? 3, having text outside of the safe zone. There is little side buttons on the side, and on top there's some space that you may not be able to have readability. So let's talk a little bit about trends. Hopping on every single trend may not be serving you and your audience. It's a great way to entertain them, educate them, fall in love with you, but sometimes trends may be confusing, too distracting. While you should have some fun, do a few dances if that's your thing, I give you the permission to be okay with not being on every single trend. 5, ignoring the pre-production process. Okay, I am the queen of imperfection, but there has to be some type of preparation before. Did you do some research? Did you put aside 10, 20, 30 minutes to do some research on reels your competitors are doing? A few of the reels that your ideal client loves and researches. Just turning on the phone is why you get nervous, is why you're not getting the traction that you want with your reel. You could do it weekly. I copy paste that reel link and put it into a note. I make a few notes of how I can incorporate it into my business the way that I want to do it. Another pre-production process that you can incorporate, doing them all in one day, making sure that you batch them, because I don't know about you, but I'm not doing my hair again in the whole week, okay? Have them ready already without the Instagram logo. Now these videos, you want to make sure that you can repurpose them in other places. Tell me in the comments if you make one of these mistakes or what you're gonna incorporate in your next reel. We're gonna talk about reels if you don't want to lip sync or dance. First one is the Twitter quote. You've seen those. You can do a slow-mo video. Those are super fun because they kind of get that intensity depending on whatever quote that you're using. You can also do a time lapse, which is kind of like a fast forward video. And both of those, if you have an iPhone, I'm sure that the Androids have this feature too, but when you're recording a video, you can have it on slow-mo or on time-lapse. Do a regular video, upload it to an app called InShot, chop up your videos into small video clips that are quick, and that also makes it like super aesthetic, super quick. Ooh, before I forget, I like to use Canva for my Twitter quotes. The next one is a vlog. Think about it like a day in a life. Your whole morning routine, your evening routine, your workout routine. How do you get ready for a workout? Your skin routine. Keep it short because people's attention span is very short. Number 3 is working in front of the camera. So just like this, I have a camera up there. It's my phone, kind of doing like a time lapse. And it doesn't have to be a time lapse. It could just be like a regular video, recording through it. It could be any everyday action. One of my videos that got a lot of engagement was me doing my hair. I wasn't even talking about hair. I was saying how you don't need 10K to make income. A simple one can be before and after. Very simple. Repurposing stories. So if you're talking about something and you want to share it more than just having it in a highlight, download it and make it into a quick reel. Educate. People want to know, who am I working with? Why am I hiring her? Why is she the best? Where is she from? Educate people. Who, what, when, where, why. Answer these questions about you, about your industry, about your company, and the people that you work with. Mama! Yes, baby? Come here, baby. Let me know in the comments below, which one are you gonna try? Or maybe you already have one that you love and it's getting you results. And I'll just see you in the next video. Let me know which one you like. Bye!